this video, I'll guide you through the process of adding and using keyframes in CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. To begin, select the element you want to apply keyframes to. In this case, we'll be focusing on the transform feature using this video. Position your playback cursor where you want the movement to start. For me, it's at the beginning of the clip. Navigate to the top right transform feature and adjust the element's scale and position. Once you've set the initial scale and position, click on the Add Keyframe button on the right side. A diamond marker will appear on the video, indicating the keyframe. Now, move the playback cursor along the timeline and adjust the element to the next position and scale you desire. The keyframe will automatically be created as you make adjustments. If the movement is too slow, shorten the distance between the keyframes. If it's too fast, increase the distance between the keyframes. Continue this process to set multiple keyframes for different movements. As you progress, you'll see the element smoothly transitioning between the keyframes. That's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.